Need to fix Gemini app not working? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to the Safari. Inside Safari, in the address bar, search for Gemini outage. Head over to the very first site, Google Gemini. In this page, you will be able to check whether the server of Gemini app is down or not. Well, if the server is down, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Well, once you are done checking the server, now all you gotta do is check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Make sure the Wi-Fi is strong. After that, move into the App Store. In the address bar, search for Gemini. Move into this app. You have to make sure that the application is up to date. If not, click on Update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, now move into Settings. Inside the settings, you need to head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and search for the application Gemini. Once found, click on it. Now tap on Offload app and once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.